Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your YouTube history. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now you can do it in the YouTube app itself on your iPhone or Android, or of course, you can use a computer and just go to youtube.com as well. Now, once we're on YouTube at the very top right, we can tap on our profile icon. And make sure that you're logged into the specific account that you want to delete that history from. And then you can see midway down is your data in YouTube, and I will tap on that. Now it says Browser, delete your YouTube activity, and I can scroll down, and it shows me YouTube, watch history, and then your YouTube search history. Now we can delete both of them. So we delete the entire history of YouTube where it says, Manage your YouTube watch history. We can tap on that, and that actually includes both your watch history of videos that you've watched and your search history of anything you've searched for. So you can see watched, and then there's also a search here. So I can specifically delete individual ones if I wanted to delete, say, specific videos that I've watched or searches that I've searched for on YouTube. There's another option right above that where it says delete here. And I can either delete today if I wanted to delete everything, all the history from today, custom range, or delete all time. So this will delete all of your data on YouTube, all of your history, your search history, your watch history, everything on YouTube. And then there's another cool setting at the very top here. It says auto delete every 18 months. You can change that interval to be, say, every 3 months or 36 months, or don't delete activity. If you want YouTube to automatically delete all that history and not keep it around for months and years. So you can go through here and delete as much of this history as you want, either by the day, the individual movie, or your entire history on YouTube. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.